FlowState, Analog to Agile Converter Demo. Meet FlowState, the tool that transforms messy whiteboards into clean, actionable project dashboards. Let's walk through how it works inside Google AI Studio. FlowState is an enterprise productivity application designed to convert photos of strategy sessions, whiteboard notes, sticky clusters, even napkin sketches, into a complete, ready-to-use project management dashboard. We're working inside Google AI Studio, under the Build tab using Gemini 3 Pro Preview. Prompts go into the chat box on the left, and the real-time generated app appears on the right in the preview window. In the Build box, paste the FlowState app prompt. This tells Gemini to create an upload area for whiteboard images, an OKR generator, a Kanban board in dark mode, task extraction with hour estimates. Once pasted, click Build, and watch the dashboard appear. Why does this stand out? Because it eliminates the most frustrating part of meetings, transcribing everything manually. FlowState understands shapes, arrows, and spatial layouts, and instantly translates them into OKRs, Kanban tasks, and project logic. It's intelligent, automated, and built for real business workflows. Now we refine the business logic using voice. Click the microphone and say, prioritize revenue. If any task mentions sales, marketing, or clients, mark it high priority in red and move it to the top. Also compute a total project cost at $150 per hour, send a command, and Gemini instantly updates the workflow. For UI polish, toggle into annotation mode, circle the to-do task cards and comment, make these cards more interactive, add a hover lift effect, and include an assign member button. Click add to chat and send, and the interface upgrades automatically. Now let's test it. Upload a quick hand-drawn diagram or any sample whiteboard image. FlowState analyzes the text, generates a clear objective and 3 key results, extracts tasks, and flags revenue-related items in red high priority. Once everything looks good, click Save, then Share App, and publish it full screen. Copy your link, and your AI-powered productivity tool is ready to demo, share, or deploy. FlowState, from analog chaos to digital clarity, instantly. Thank you for watching.